What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials, and today I am going to show you how to fix internet connection problems that you may be facing on your Windows 10 device. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you the major problems that may be causing these errors to occur. And if you want like a longer, like a significantly in-depth tutorial as well, let me know in the comment section below. More than help you guys out with that. But this is going to be like the quick one that helps you with the major issues that you may be facing. So the first thing you want to do, or you should do, is you want to write network connections on your search bar, and you want this essentially to pop up. Whether you're connected into Ethernet or Wi-Fi, doesn't matter. I'm connected via Ethernet. You want to right click into that and then go into where it says Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. You want to click into properties. You're going to do one of two things. If your thing is already on obtain DNS server address automatically, use the following DNS server and change it to what I have here. This is Google's DNS server. Vice versa, if you had a DNS server, change it back to automatically. It's possible your DNS server is the one causing issues to you. So you want to kind of flip it back on it to see if that fixes it for you. The next thing is, again, whether Wi-Fi or internet or Ethernet, you want to right click into it and you want to either disable it and then re-enable it, and diagnose it as well. This is essentially troubleshooting it to see if there's a possible issue itself happening with that thing itself, causing it to not connect to the internet. The next thing you can do is you want to go back into where it says the search bar, and you want to type something called network reset. I'm doing shortcuts to basically get you to these screens. You want to essentially reset the network, and you'll see this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters, and set other networking components back to the original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterward. So it's possible you install like a Windows Defender type thing, like Avast or whatever, or some security, right? And then it either changed it up, or there's a virus on your computer, or you downloaded some software or plugin or something for a VPN that's messing up your internet device, right? Which is why you're having internet connection issues in Windows 10. So you doing this will fix a lot of those issues as well. The final thing you can do, which is a little bit manual, which is you could go into Device Manager itself and then go into Network and Adapters, and literally, with the exception of the first three, I want to say, or even this one, I should say, delete or either update driver manually by clicking into it, or which is doing this one, and you'll see if there is one or not, or deleting it, which is basically uninstalling it and restarting your computer and letting it reinstall, and then go from there. This should possibly fix the issue as well. So yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, these are the quick ones. These are the main ones that should fix your issue for you, and you should be good to go. If you guys ever like the video, please smash that like when it's up. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, get that notification bell. More tutorials out. Peace.